Talagang hinubaran ah. Tingnan natin lakas niya. Allah! Oh my. 650?
Okay, now you.
Now you
Tatay, now you, tatay.
Oh my.
Now you, tatay.
Okay, hold this.
Okay.
No way.
700 and...
739 only.
But you
I
have the
think
six.
my left hand is more stronger.
Okay, try again.
I don't have money.
No, the button. Just press the button.
Yeah.
I
It's 3 games.
try left.
Okay, there, big guy. Go there.
Okay.
So,
Don't punch Sophia.
Yeah, please. $773.
so which one is stronger?
Left, right? I forgot.
Huh?
I think left is stronger.
Huh? Left, right? Because I'm right-handed, but I always feel like when punching, I am more.
I have still money. Let's go again.
I give you.
I have it in my...
Be careful, yeah. Maybe you're gonna break your arms.
You are just wasting
I
the
used to
money.
play this with my friends here in disco.
All right. Okay.
Wasting money.
3, 4. Oh, that's not. No.
And 70.
Wow, 671. Ah, okay. One more thing. One more for me.
Okay.
Okay. Hold this.
And mommy then.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I
Why?
don't have any energy.
Okay.
Okay, one. I will try one. Yeah. Wow. 7, 7.
7, 8.
778.
That was more. This one is...
778.
Uh-huh.
My goodness. Okay, mommy.
You just press the button at the top.
Oh my goodness. Mine is gonna be maybe like 200. Don't worry.
Okay. Oh, we broke it. My goodness, we broke it. No.
Yeah, we broke it.
Yeah, we still have one punch.
That's good.
Oh.
Day.
I think that they said it's too much, guys.
Okay. Nagutom si Pinkay sa kanyang malakas na suntok ah. That punch really makes you hungry. Yeah.
I'm not to flip an egg, so just don't judge me, please.
You will learn. Yeah, slowly but surely. Kararating lang namin after ng groceries. Grocery kami doon sa Tesco. Yan. Yan, naligpit na ni Hana itong mga grocery.
Are you gonna take it upstairs?
It's up to you. That's for you.
No, it's just upstairs.
Yeah. Pinkay, you lowered the fire like that. So it will not burn. Okay? So you don't really know how to cook. And I think this is brown bread. A bit healthier than white bread, right?
I want my egg a bit runny.
So she's on diet with me.
Yeah.
Diet with me. What's that?
Just cool down.
Wow. Wow. Egg sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna eat.
Okay.
Potrzebujesz tady to?
Nah.
Ty masz, nie masz, nie? Nie
Mama.
masz żadne mokre tam, nie?
And me, myself, coffee with almond milk. Kasi diet, kasi Japo boy. Ingat-ingat tayo ngayon sa sugar. Yan.
To chcesz jak na tam?
Na kahit na 4 na linggo lang. At least makarecover yung ating guts. Enjoy. I didn't know you were hungry.
My last meal was around 11.
Your last meal was 11. Oh. Hmm. No, I think that's Darling, can you please switch off the lights? Thank you.
Tapos yan. So yan.
Okay, and then afterwards, ilalabas na namin itong si Sisi. Alas 5 na ng hapon. Ayan, dala ni Hana yung kanyang baon para bukas. That's your lunch, darling, tomorrow?
Dinner.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I thought like your baon tomorrow.
I have lunch at work tomorrow.
Hmm.
No, go home. Yeah. Thank you.
Ako naman, 1 meal a day. Pang 3 days ko na, 1 meal a day. Yung unang araw, medyo mahirap. Yung 1 meal a day, yung kain ko 12 noon. Tapos, the next day, 12 noon uli ang kain. Pag nagugutom ako, tubig lang ako ng tubig.
No.
Nagawa ko na ito, maraming beses ko na itong nagawa. Kaya alam ko na kung paano. Kaya lang, yung pag pinotol mo nga, gaya ko pinotol ko. At bumalik ako ngayon sa UMAD at low carb. So medyo hirap ako sa unang araw. Pangatlong araw ko ngayon. Pero okay na. Medyo hindi na ako nagugutom talaga. Yung unang araw talaga medyo nag-crave ako ng pagkain. Pero ngayon hindi na. So ito, coffee with small like a little almond milk. Yung kunting-kunti lang na almond milk. Yung non-sugar, no sugar almond milk.
So wy od nas się ty wielcy prosimy.
Ayan. Kahit na 4 weeks lang. At least ma-regulate yung ating, kasi ubo ako ng ubo, di ba? So ang findings ng doctor talaga, baka nga sa GERD. So kailangan mo na ng exercise, pahingain yung tiyan sa kakain. Nakuha ko rin, do you observe that this is my 3rd day, 1 meal a day. And in the morning, I don't really cough a lot for the last 2 mornings.
Yeah,
Right?
That's true.
So I believe that's the cause of my coughing. You know,
Even the doctor told you, no?
yeah, but I did not believe at first. So now I said like, okay, I'm gonna try, because when I was in England and I was doing UMAD, I was doing this kind of diet. I never got sick. I was really like, and feeling strong. So now, let's see. My goodness. Nandito kami ngayon sa field, oh. Wild deer. Wow. Wow. Oh my, that is so good. Wow. Minsan madami yan sila. Ngayon dalawa lang sila, oh. Oh.
So they're changing the location from other forest to from the forest there
Oh, they're gone.
to other forest.
Wow. That was nice. Na-encounter natin yung wild deer. So pupuntahin sila dyan. Bundok na yan, oh. Yan, bundok na yan. Kita niyo, bundok yan. Dyan sila pupunta. So, doon sila galing, oh. Yan, bundok na yan. So lilipat yan sila doon sa kabila. Yan, dyan. Bundok din yan, eh. Yung gubat pala, gubat. Diba? Ganda tingnan, diba? Kasi walang nakikialam sa kanila. Hindi sila hinahunting. Ito yung gusto ko rito sa village na to. Kasi sobrang tahimik, tapos napalibutan siya ng gubat. Yung gubat hindi naman ganong kalayuan. Tapos madalas talaga nakakita ko rito yung gano'n, yung mga usa. Yung maraming mga deer. I think the numbers that I encountered once was like 15 of them, right? In the mid there.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were crossing on the road slowly, right?
Yeah.
And we stopped. You were driving, and we stopped, and we watched them. We let them cross.
Yeah.
Wow, that was amazing. So you're not allowed to hunt them, right?
No.
Unless
But you are allowed, I mean, not we, because we of course don't have a gun, but there are people who are like in charge of the forest.
yeah.
They have a gun. So in autumn, they are killing or hunting the wild boar. Because,
How about wild deer? That one. I wanna try the meat.
so wait until we're gonna get one by car. So it will damage the car. So then you can, if the deer will not survive, so you will take him. And then, but you need to find a butcher fast.
Oh,
You will.
I will. I will.
Can't believe it. You
I can butcher it. Why not? That's easy, man. So yun, wild boar lang natikman ko rito. Yung wild deer wala pa. So sana one day makatikim ako ng usa talaga rito. Good morning from Czech Republic. Ang oras dyan sa Pilipinas ay tanghali na pala rito. Mag-alas 12 na. Ito yung aking first meal sa aking UMAD. 1 meal a day. So every 12 noon doon ako kumakain. At ang aking kakainin ngayon, tortang talong. At niluluto ko pa yung aking grilled chicken. Uy. Yan, grilled chicken. Medyo okay na to. Yung aking grilled chicken. Yan lang kakainin ko. Tapos, of course, boiled egg. So, ito lang aking kakainin ngayong araw. At ang aking dessert, Greek yogurt with nuts. Okay. Iba't ibang nuts nilagay ko. So, dinidikdik ko itong cashew nuts. Tsaka, nadikdik ko na yung almond. Yan lang. Sa England, ganito lang ginawa ko nun. Konting exercise. Yun. Importante talaga sa pagpapapayat yung diet. So, pang-apat ko na araw to na umad. Okay naman. Pagka masanay ka. Sabi nga nila sa Kausabihan nun, yung mga ninuno natin minsan nga hindi daw kumakain sa isang araw Diba? Yun. Kain tayo. Itlog. Tutulog pa, hindi na ako paggutom. Lunch ni Sofia. Potato and minced beef. Mommy cooked that minced beef. I don't know if it's beef or pork.
I think it's pork.
She just came home from school. Gusto niya itong patatas. Sige ito. How's school?
Okay.
Very good. No exam today?
Yeah.
What exam?
Czech language. That was the hardest exam I've ever had in Czech language.
Czech language. Oh my. How was it then? What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I answered every question, but I'm not sure if it's correct.
Oh, that Czech language, Pinka, is really crucial for you. You really need to learn
But I
this.
studied maybe an hour yesterday. like even before you and mommy went out, maybe half an hour before you went out, I was studying, and then half an hour after you went out, I was still studying. It was a really hard test, and still it was so difficult.
Mm-hmm. That's why 1 hour is not enough. So you have to change your style. Make it 2 hours, or even more. Okay, so this is Bobby's food. Her food on the wheels. Pag-deliver, mga last just to ng umaga din-deliver dito. Tapos, late na ngayon panangalian niyo. 2:00 na ng hapon. Una niyang kinakain yung sabaw. Mga 12:00, kakain siya ng sabaw. Okay, so yeah. Do you have a swimming training today? Okay, what time you're leaving?
Around 4.
Do you want me to come with you?
No, it's fine.
Okay.